Hello and welcome to Procyon Radio and Television News. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Dangote slashes petrol price to 899 naira per litre. Peseiro credits Atalanta coach for Lookman's impressive form. MNJTF troops repel terrorist attack on military base in Cameroon. And now full details of the news. Dangote Petroleum Refinery says it has reduced the price of its petrol to 899.50 kobo per litre to provide relief for Nigerians ahead of the Christmas and New Year holiday season. In a statement, the company's spokesman, Anthony Chijinna, said the price reduction is designed to ease transport costs during the festive period. The refinery also said consumers can purchase an additional litre of fuel on credit for every litre bought on a cash basis. The Federal Capital Territory High Court on Thursday granted the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, bail in the sum of 50 million naira with two sureties in like form. Justice Marian Aniyin had on December 10th refused the governor's bail application, stating it was filed prematurely. While delivering the initial ruling, she said that since the first defendant was neither in custody nor before the court at the time, the application was incompetent. And now we dive into the world of sports. Former Super Eagles head coach Jose Peseiro has credited Atalanta manager Gianpiero Gasperini for Ademola Lookman's impressive form. Lookman has been in fantastic form for both club and country in 2024. The 27-year-old was one of the top performers for Nigeria at the 2023 African Cup of Nations earlier in the year. The winger was crowned Africa's best player at the 2024 CAF Awards in Marrakesh, Morocco on Monday night. And on the international scene, troops of the Multinational Joint Task Force operating under the Sector 1 in Moro has successfully repelled a coordinated attack by Boko Haram and ISWAP terrorists on the military base at Darak in Cameroon. According to MNJTF, 5 soldiers sustained injuries during the encounter and are currently responding to medical treatment. Colonel Osoba noted that in a follow-up operation, troops laid ambush for the wounded fleeing terrorists along their regrouping route in Mazogo, a village located between Zambia and Gibrili. Up next is the entertainment news. Nollywood veteran actor Kanayo O. Kanayo has shared a dating tip for women. The award-winning actor advises women to carefully consider their priorities when choosing a life partner. He explained that if a woman cannot accept being with a financially struggling man, she may need to be prepared to date a man who is very busy and has little time to spend in a relationship. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Unibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.